Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV with another quick tip. Most vehicles from General Motors come with a safety system that helps keep the parents at ease when the kids take the keys. Let's go over teen driver technology and how it works. To set up the system, go to Settings and then Vehicle and Teen Driver. You'll be required to enter a PIN. Make sure to keep it a secret so your young driver can't go in and adjust the settings. You'll then need to register one of the key fobs. Most models will have a designated spot, so make sure to check your owner's manual. You can always clear the key and use the other one at any time. Teen driver technology will automatically be engaged anytime that key remote is used to start the vehicle. Now you can set restrictions like an audio volume limit, a speed limit, and a speed warning, and whether or not you want the speed warnings turned on. Another cool safety function is the audio system will automatically be muted until all occupants are wearing seatbelts. So you can always have peace of mind knowing your teen driver will always be buckled up. After your teen is returned with the vehicle, you can log in using the PIN to view the driver report card. This will tell you things like distance driven, maximum speed, how many times the overspeed warning was given, the number of times systems like forward collision alert were engaged, and even how many times the teen driver was tailgating the vehicle in front of them, depending on the model you have. Teen driver technology not only helps monitor a young driver on the road, but it's also a great way to teach them better driving habits. Make sure to keep an eye out for more quick tips.